Hi guys, this is my Singh and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to draw Rapunzel. You see Rapunzel in the movies, in the stories. The movie's name is Tangle. It is an animation movie, and it is very wonderful movie. The Rapunzel have a lot of hairs, long hairs, maybe 10-12 meters. So we are going to draw Rapunzel, and you can see here the round head and center line and eye line for the reference. Then the lower body. Lower body is the short because this is the animation character and this like a cartoon character. It is so uh, small than the usual human body. These are the hands. Uh, to draw hands, we just draw first gesture. There's something wrong in the head, so I erase it, and now making small head, little bit small than before, and little bit close to the body. And here's the eyes. There is a big eyes and little bit nose and a smiley lip, and then the eyebrows. I am drawing right now is very rough because it is reference lines before the detailing and before the character to give character a better look. Then it is now I'm not something copying. I just draw from the imagination. Then I need to something adjust the head and the hair so it would look great. So so here's the hairs, lot of hairs, then the binded hair in the back side. And this is I said that this is only the reference line, and after these reference line I will detail it very cautiously. And now I am drawing very roughly, so now I am erasing it little bit light erase so that the reference side don't should be not erased totally. So now I am drawing very cautiously on the reference line. This is the eyes, little bit slow than before, detailing lip, upper lip, then a little bit lower lip, little bit touch for the lower lip because lower lip we just don't have to make the full lip. We just need a little bit touch to show the lower lip. Then the eyebrows, we can see that the lines are a little bit sharp than the before, and there's a jaw on this side, and this is the chin, little bit round below. And now the hairs have to make from the curves line because straight lines cannot show that the hairs are this is the hair, because we know that the curves hairs according to the gravity hairs fall down and it takes shape as a curve. Eyelashes, this is the face is complete now. Adjusting the lip to make the lip shorter than before. There is a little bit ear under the hairs, and there is a neck. So here are the upper hairs. We just don't need to show the full details of the hair one by one because we just show that there is a hair like these shapes. You can see that the binded hair have a some kind of half circle and the other triangle shapes. We just use the shapes because some if we draw the every hair, it don't look good. Some flowers on the hairs. Now it's looking very pretty, and some little bit flowers. It is so easy to make flowers. You can make because the first of all we need to know that the face is the only thing. If we draw a face properly, if the face is looking nice, so the rest part you don't have to make it so detail it or something else, because the face cover up all the beauty of the character. And here's the dress of the Rapunzel. There you can see something like balloon on the shoulder, because this is her dress. You can see in the pictures and the films. And here is hand. One finger is raised and the others are closed in the fist. Now this hand is complete. It is something very looking strange, so I erase it to make it to give the look nice, because the hand is have to thin. We just adjust something. We should know that there is when we draw something, we can realize that something is wrong there, so we should use the eraser again and again. I am drawing something. I use very less eraser, because I had done lot of practice. If you are beginner, you should use eraser again and again, because this is the only method you can improve your drawings. So here is wrinkles on the back side, and the below part of the this dress has a long gown. You can see in the picture. It is not looking the Rapunzel as the movie. It is some kind of different as a facial level and the dress. So here is a gown, and little bit here, and then these lines to show the gown nice. This is the curly design on the sleeves last. Some curly hairs on the both side of the ears. You can see that the outlines is showed to character makes looking good, because it focused the viewers attention on the character. Outline is so important. Some dark under the hairs, shadow under the hair, under the hand. Some shadow on the upper part of the dress, and now it is looking so nice. Some shadow on the back side of the hairs. So it is totally complete now. Hope you enjoying it. To watch more videos and drawings and cartooning, subscribe my YouTube channel, and bye bye.